Hey everyone, want to buy movie tickets using Esewa? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through how to buy movie tickets from Esewa, step-by-step process to book your tickets easily. So let's get started. Over to their website, head over to the movies and entertainment section. And in this section, you'll be able to find all of the cinemas available to be able to buy using your Esewa balance. So these are the cinema selection that you have. So simply select a cinema to where you want to watch a movie, and that will redirect you into this section where you'll be able to find the time and date availability of this movie on that specific cinema. So just go ahead and click on that buy ticket button, and that will redirect you into the section. And here you'll be able to find the show times for the specific dates, and the times are actually labeled depending on its current status. So you just simply need to select the time and date of when you want to watch this movie. So you can find further information about this movie by scrolling down. Click on your selected date and click on your selected time. And after that, you need to log into your account and pay using your balance on Esewa. And that is basically how you can buy movie tickets from Esewa. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. See you in the next one.